Hello everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will be explaining how to increase your RAM on your PC and your laptop, and how you can extend your RAM for the better performance by increasing the virtual memory. First of all, click on the Windows search icon, type About, and select About your PC from the suggestions. In the About section, note your installed RAM. For example, mine is 12 GB. On the right, find Advanced System Settings and click on it. In the System Properties box, under Performance, click Settings. Then go to the Advanced tab. Locate Virtual Memory and click on Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size and select Custom Size. Then you are getting two boxes here of initial size and the maximum size. Now this is the most important part where you have to enter the right value in the initial size and the maximum size. I have made a note here that will make it easier to understand. Now, here it says initial size, RAM into 1.5, maximum size, RAM into 3.0. It means you have to convert your RAM into megabytes, and then you have to multiply by 1.5 for initial size, and multiply by 3 for the maximum size. Let's see if I'm using 12 GB of RAM. I will convert 12 into 1024 so that we can the value in MB, and then we will multiply by 1.5. Let me quickly open a calculator. We have the calculator here now, and I will multiply 12 into 1024. 1024 is the value that comes in MB, megabyte for 1 GB. Now we get this amount, and then we will multiply by 1.5 for the initial size. In the initial size, I will type 18,432. In the maximum size, what we will have to do, I have to multiply 12 into 1024 again to get the value in MB. Then I need to multiply by 3 for the maximum size. It will be 36,864. All right, similarly, if you're using 8 GB of RAM, so instead of 12, you need to multiply 8 into 1024 into 1.5. For 16, you have to multiply 16 into 1024 into 1.5 for the initial size and 3 for the maximum size. Click Set, then OK. Close the box, restart your PC, and experience the boosted performance. Remember, for different RAM sizes, adjust the calculations accordingly. If this helps, don't forget to like, subscribe, and feel free to ask questions in the comments. Take care, and bye-bye.